Welcome students of class KG, and after Saraswati Puja we are meeting again with our new class, and we were studying action words, right? So today we are going to study action words with the help of picture. This is your textbook, page number 43. Okay students, page number 43 textbook. So I'm going to teach you over here with the help of the pictures that what these people are doing. So here in the picture we can see that a boy is fishing. Okay, so the boy is fishing. Here it's a scenario of a park where one boy is running. Different people are doing different work. This boy is running. This boy is fishing. This boy is reading. Ducks are swimming. This couple is sitting. This boy is sleeping under the tree. This boy is sleeping. These children are eating. What they are eating? Ice cream. So here we found running, fishing, reading, sitting, eating and sleeping. So now students, if I give you this word, you can make simple sentences with this action word. Like one from the picture, I will write the sentence. You will also write down in your copy, and it is the boy is fishing. The boy is fishing. Because it is ing, I have written is because it is in present tense. Okay, so the boy is fishing. Everywhere we will use is. Okay, only because there is only one boy, and when we are going to write this one, we are going to use are. Okay, so next, the boy. Number 2, now we will make sentence with running. The boy is, these are very simple sentences, running. The boy is running. Next, number 3. Now the boy is reading. Here again one boy is reading. So we are going to write the boy is reading. The boy is reading. Now here they are, let us make it they. They are sitting. So we are making sentence with sitting. They are sitting on a bench. They are sitting on a bench. This is a very simple sentence according to the picture. Next comes the boy is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. Okay. Next comes number 6, and this is the last sentence. We can see 2 children are eating ice cream. So we will write again, they are eating ice cream, because here we are going to use they according to the picture, and we are making sentence with eating. So they are eating They are eating ice cream. They are eating ice cream. Okay, let me set the camera so that you can see each and every part very nicely. I hope now it's very clear to all of you. So we made sentence with fishing. The boy is fishing. Okay, next comes the boy is running. So here comes, we underline running. Now again we made sentence with reading. So the boy is reading. So let us underline reading. Next is they are sitting on a bench. They are sitting on a bench. So here comes the word sitting. Action word sitting. We made the word with sleeping. The boy is sleeping. So here comes the underline word, action word sleeping. They are eating ice cream. So here comes the action word eating. Okay, so student, this is the activity for all of you. Page number 43, you will look at the picture. You will first make sentences on your own. You can make sentence according to your own sense also. Okay, it can be your own sentence, but the word fishing cannot be done fishes or was fishing. It cannot, it has to be in the continuous tense, present tense only, present continuous tense, and you have to use is when you are using singular word. Okay, so you can learn these sentences also, and even you can make sentences on your own with the help of these action words which has been given in your textbook. And I will be back again with a new class for all of you. Till that time, take care of yourself, complete your task, and always be happy. Okay, bye bye.